Welcome! Today I have my memory card, as always. We're going to do some body mounts on Frank today. This week we're doing Frank. I don't know if you're excited about that. We are. We're going to do body mounts in this, trunk pan. We're going to do some floor pans. And like I said, we're just putting this thing back together, kind of making it work. So, let me see. All the interior is going to go back in, and then we're going to start taking this into car shows and get people's reactions. But originally we had cut out to get to this hole for the body mounts, and we didn't need to do that because actually the bolts came out very easily, and I don't know why. So we have to make all my patches for the floor. We'll do all that today. So
So what are we doing today?
I don't know. Maybe making floors, fixing the frame. Oh, blowing up the tire. Frank always has a flat tire. He doesn't like us. Okay, we're gonna make some panels today too. Or maybe tomorrow we'll make some panels. See if we can fix the frame, get it to a point where the frame is definitely back where it needs to be, connected to the car. It's a good spot, right? It's always good to be connected to the car.
That's what they tell me.
It's always helpful. So you take a left, your frame doesn't go one way and you go the other way. Oh, I can't get in this door anymore.
What? Wait, why?
The thing broke. I gotta try and do it from the inside.
Oh.
Here, you pull. There we go. I got some panels ready yesterday. Alright. Let's not shut it all.
Sealing you in.
Hopefully this works. Body mount kit with bolts.
Wow.
And I'm hoping those are the right size. And they are. Yep, there we go.
So for the layman's, what are these?
What's that? These are the mounts to fix all the holes there on the frame. To fix all the frame. Beautiful. Look at that. Handy dandy contouring measuring tape. So this is what we're gonna do. Ready? So measure this like this. So we're gonna go down there like that. So we gotta go 24, overlap it a little bit, by, let's see. Oh, I lost my spot. So 24 by 24. 24 by 24.
The trick you can use if you got to cut a straight line on some metal is you can mark with tape a couple spots down the length of the piece, and then you go through and connect all those spots with one continuous piece of tape. You kind of like pull it tight to make it nice and straight. And generally that'll get you a pretty good, nice straight line. So I'll show you what that looks like. And you can pretty much
Remember, we're not doing anything fancy on this car. We're just putting it back together. on. I can't believe that just came out.
Got it?
So, usually this nut on the inside breaks. It didn't. It came out very easy. Which means
It's a sign.
I can reuse this bolt. That never happens. And if this one comes out too, because these always freaking break. They always twist. If this one comes out easy, and that hole looks okay. So maybe I'll be good.
Yeah, it looks like it's spinning.
Yeah, it came right out.
Serious?
Oh my word, it came right out. I can't believe that.
All right, time for me to cry.
That never happened. Well, this is rotted too.
Oh, what?
Every time I look, we'll have to make a patch for that.
Oh,
The
no.
mices will get in there. Oh, I can't believe that just came out.
We should.
I can't believe that was that easy.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna fix the frame. So, I bought these because the frame, sometimes the hole rots out. This one was actually still good. The other one is not. So we're gonna put it on top of the frame. We're gonna weld it in place and be good, just so this thing can mount back to the car. We're not gonna do a great job. We're gonna do a Frank job. So this is how bad the hole is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but hopefully I can get it to a good point. I think it should hold. So I think it goes right there. So we'll weld this thing on the top, right like that. Just side to side, it feels good. I think it's gonna go right there in the back. I'll have to go look at the other one. So we're gonna weld that in place. So hopefully that's the right spot. It looks like it's the right spot. I'll put a tack in it, we'll see what happens. Alright, so put all the bolts back in Frank. Frame is now connected to the body. I had to patch 2 spots in the back. The 2 front ones were good. Getting there. Now I'm going to patch all the holes in the floor. So, see the holes in the floor. My foot. So, patch the holes in the floor, and then we'll patch all these holes, and then we'll do the brakes. I have these floor pans. Why aren't you using those in this car? Not wasting them. I have, these are from my Bandit. It needs floors, I believe. Well, I did at one point. We'll see. So I'm going to use these as templates. I'm going to make that. I'm going to use that to form it. Okay, that's where it's going. Alright, so here's the hole in the trunk. Once again, make the piece a little bit bigger than it's supposed to be. Like about, let me see here, a little bit bigger, about this much bigger, so it overlaps. Put it into place. What I did is I hit it with to get the shape of it. So this high spot right here, I'm going to cut it. Like I said, this is not the right way to do it. This is just to get Frank on the road. All right, so I cut a slice in this rear pan area. Now I can, where it was kinked, it'll overlap and bend together. All right, inside the trunk. We've got that thing tacked into place. So we'll finish that off, so that's getting there. I'd like to get the interior in today, so I started putting the floor in on that side. And I still gotta do this floor. Hole up there. Couple big hole there. There's one right there too by the gas door. So get all those done. We'll put the interior back in it. Then we'll work on the outside. We'll put the gas tank back in it. Then we're gonna do brake lines. And yep, then we're off. Then we're ready. So that's the inside of the trunk, the patch. Clean that all up. Make it all one color and look decent. It's a lot better than it did. Floors. They're all in. Just like I said. Not pretty. Just gonna get it all done. Cheap. Alright, so I get my memory card. Thanks for watching. Crazy, we had 1,000 views in 1 week. Usually it takes us 3-4 weeks to get up to 1,000. We got 1,000 in 1 week. That's big for us. Hit the bell icon next to the like and subscribe. That's the subscribe button next time. So thank you also. We got 56 subscribers now. That's huge for us. We're happy about that. Keep subscribing. So the next video, we're going to put the interior back in. What else are we doing? That's why I have my memory card, because I can't remember anything. We're going to paint the inside of the trunk. Put the gas tank back in. Get this thing driving. Oh, we got to put the radiator support in. I got to get that from my buddy Dan. Nice enough to give me a whole front clip for the car. So remember, like, subscribe, comment, and if you made it to the end of the video, comment, nothing fancy, because that's what this car's getting, nothing fancy. Alright, thanks, and that's it. Oh, one more thing. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying in the next 6 weeks, I want to get this thing done, running, driving. This is a big car show in New York. I'm trying to bring this car to it. Drive it up there. So I gotta put a clutch in this thing too, and exhaust. I get 6 weeks to do it. Let's see if I can make it to New York. If I do, I'll take videos of it while I'm up there. Alright? Thanks for watching. Have an R&R.